Good morning, traders. This is Joanne with Succeed in Forex. Welcome to our Forex market news broadcast for Wednesday, February the 20th, 2008. The headlines out of Switzerland earlier this morning said the dollar slips as investors are worried about further economy slowdowns and more interest rate cuts. The dollar fell on Tuesday as investors worried that a spike in oil prices to record highs could further slow the U.S. economy and prompt the Federal Reserve to again cut interest rates. The high-yielding Australian and New Zealand dollars posted strong performances after booking early gains as a rise in global equities, commodities, bolstered investors' appetite for risky trades. The Aussie rose to a 3-month high against the dollar after the Reserve Bank of Australia's February policy meeting confirmed expectations for more interest rate hikes, boosting the currency's appeal to global investors. Expectations that the European Central Bank would keep its benchmark's lending rates at 4% longer than previously anticipated pushed the euro to a 2-week peak at 147.57. The Australian dollar rose as high as 92.37, a level that was last seen in early November. It was last traded at 91.60, which was up 53%. Minutes from the RBA's February the 5th policy meeting showed the central bank had debated a more aggressive 50 basis point rate hike, while the RBA decided in the end on a modest 25 basis point rise in the cash rate to an 11-year high of 7%. The minutes pointed to further monetary tightening ahead. The New Zealand dollar followed the Aussie's rally, climbing to 80.24, its highest level since July. It was last up 29% at 79.86. The euro dollar rose to 147.57, while the dollar yen was down at 107.94. The Credit Suisse said it had written down $2.85 billion off the value of its asset-backed investments, while Barclays, Britain's third largest bank, raised its 2007 write-down on the value of risky assets to £1.6 billion. Investors today were waiting for the U.S. consumer inflation and housing data. This could fuel a debate on the prospects of stagflation in the world's largest economy, which is the reasons the Fed has lowered its benchmark overnight lending rates by 225 basis points to 3% since mid-September, in a bid to stave off a recession following a sharp housing downturn. That completes our news for today. Hope you have a great trading day. Tighten up your stops and don't give back any pips. Before we sign off, we would like to invite you to visit our website at www.succeedinforex.com. There you can find a link to our Yahoo forum, which is also Succeed in Forex, and additional information about our Traders Training Center, where our motto is Traders Helping Traders Succeed in Forex. Have a great trading day, and we hope that you'll be able to join us again tomorrow for our Forex Market News broadcast.